Hi guys, so we are from Megata International College. So we're going to make an assignment and we're going to tell you about rescued animal. Please like and share.
Do a thumbs up.
Support us.
Rescue Animal is a project where the volunteers
We went to Paws at Petaling Jaya.
And we already see how many dogs that was adopted by the paws.
Tiga bendun.
Hello, good morning guys. Today we decide to go to Paws Animal Welfare Shelter at
Subang Jaya.
Yes, to get some information from them as well as our topic is rescue animal. Check it out! Woo! So here we are at Paws, which is Animal Welfare Society. There are almost 250 dogs, 50 of cats.
In my living room, I got a llama in my living room, I got a llama in my living room, I got a llama in my living room. Cross my heart, hope to die. To my lover, I'd never lie. To be true.
Female dog's named Nora. She is 2 years old.
She was born by MPSA.
Yes. And they adopt her since she was small and she's now very big. Hello. You're so cute. To make it short, rescue procedures is where the bodyguard information and the animals will be sent to nearby shelter to be adopted, cured and recover. So, about surrender procedure, you need to call the office and you need to pay an amount or donation for the animals that you surrender for. And for the adoption procedure, after you have selected the animals you wish to adopt, ask assistance from any of our shelter staff. And you need to pay. What do you think about animal?
Animal. We must save animal.
So we're going to make a short review towards our students whether they love animals or not. Do you love animals? Do you love animals? Love but not cat. Do you love animals? Yes. Do you love animals? Do you love animals? Sis, do you love animals? Of course lah. Alright. Aisha, do you love animals? Animal? Sure. Do you love hippo? What about buffalo? No. What about cow? No. Cat? Dog. Pig? Dog. You love animals? Yes. Ah, thank you.
So hi guys, you had watched the review videos. So now, check it out why we should protect animal and how to rescue animals.
Hey, today I will explain you about why we should protect animals. First, why we should protect animals, because we can feel like we have friend when we're lonely. It means like before sleep, friend will not sleep with us usually, so we can play with our pet or animals at home. Alright. Secondly is people life depends on animals.
Hi guys, today I will tell you how to rescue the animals. Okay, firstly, when we see the animals on the street, maybe the animals got stuck their legs on something that cannot be able to walk, why not we rescue them and let them be free? Okay, it's just a simple things that human like us should do. We not only do a kind things to the human only, but all the nature, to the plant, animals, because all of this in this world is his creature. And then the other things, if you say the animals look like a bit tired, look like effortlessly, from the our side we already know that the animals maybe being like that because they didn't get any food or didn't get any water. So why not we give the water to them and avoid them to being a face of the dead.
Face of the dead.
Everyone does love pet. I have a pet, a rabbit. They live in a big land. Not Land of Dawn, like Mobile Legend. They're so cute. So guys, why we abuse them? We're supposed to love them. I think that an animal's supposed to be cared. We're supposed to love them, give them some food. You see the green things there? It's not going to be complete without animals, right guys?
Yeah.
Yes, it's going better if we have animals here.
I am the bitch, yes, I am the one. I am the moon and I am the sun. I am the queen, I bet bang the drum. Constructing on the catwalk I run. I am the bass, I serve the face. I want to put the keys back in their place. I am the balls, I pick the cars. Opulence, I got too much.
What is she even saying? They're like not even lyrics.
Yeah, I'm pussy bitch. Ooh la 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 la.
Hi guys. Materials.
There's a lot of many creatures